Hello, my name is Leanne Price, and if you are watching this video, you're likely checking out the L3 Method website, or you found your way through social media or my YouTube channel. However you got here though, I just want to welcome you, and you might be asking yourself right about now, what exactly is the L3 Method? Awesome, here's the answer. L3 stands for lose the last layer, and so the L3 Method is a private VIP fitness program I designed for women to do just that. L3 is 12 to 16 weeks long, depending on your chosen graduation date, and it's also 100% remote. We have members from all over the globe. However, L3 is extremely high touch and high boutique, meaning that each woman has her own private coach with weekly check-ins as well as 12 in-depth coaching calls and sessions during her fitness journey. My motivation in creating the L3 Method was to create sustainable change. I've been a fitness coach for 12 years, so I've seen a lot of trends come and go in the industry. And one of the most important things I've noticed is that when someone with a weight loss goal actually slows down and takes the time to, number one, have their workouts and their nutrition game plan customized to their unique body. Number two, has the accountability resource built into their plan of action. And three, and this is one of the biggest, one that's overlooked and causes people to gain all their weight back over and over and over again. So listen up. Number three is changes their mindset to align with that of a healthy, fit person. Then and only then have I seen people lose weight, get super fit, and stay that way permanently. And this isn't happening because their lives are perfect or they're never hit with adversity ever again, or because they're especially young or genetically gifted with super fast metabolisms. Again, it's because those three elements got put into motion while they were on their fitness journey. So if you've lost weight in the past and you've since gained it all back, and now you have all these crazy cravings that you didn't have before, don't trust your body to do what you want it to do, I get it. I've been there, and there's nothing more frustrating. These are all symptoms, however, of a bigger problem. When you've lost that weight in the past, it's very, very likely that one of those three components were never put into place. So again, it's number one, having all of your workouts and your nutrition customized to your unique body, your goals, your schedule, your budget, and your unique taste buds. Number two, having someone or a team holding you accountable within the context, of course, of a judgment-free, all-loving, supportive environment. And number three, again, it's slowing down and taking the time to truly change your mindset, to gently shift the beliefs and ideas that you currently hold both about yourself and your own capabilities, as well as those who, think about nutrition, health, exercise, beliefs that may be outdated and simply just no longer serving you. Because what is the essential difference between a fit person and a not fit person? What is the difference between myself, a master fitness and weight loss coach of 12 years, and a person who is overweight and unhealthy? The difference is in the way we think. It's the information that is in our two brains. So I chose to bridge that gap, and here's how. Within the L3 Method program, I've created a 12-module course that addresses and reshapes all 365 degrees of your fitness. I've literally taken my brain and how I think about every single area of what it means to live a healthy lifestyle and be so happy and just confident in your own body. And I've dumped it, sorted, and organized it into this course for you to absorb. We don't breeze over this part of the Get Fit process. We embrace it and we dive in. And I attribute that as being one of the biggest reasons why I've had the level of success I've had over the years, helping hundreds and hundreds of men and women lose weight and get into mind-blowing shape. So I get it, this is a commitment. And if L3 Lite may be more your speed, then that's awesome too. And I will explain the difference between the two in just a moment here. But yeah, the L3 Method is for women who are really, really serious about making some permanent changes so that they can get fit once and for all and never look back again. Babe, I promise you, it's so worth it. Taking this on, making this a priority and a focus for a few months out of your life, making your new healthy habits second nature, just like brushing your teeth. Your future you will thank you infinitely for not cutting shortcuts and just getting this done now. My goal in creating the L3 method was to give you that all-star VIP treatment, but for a fraction of the cost. My other goal, I want you to get your confidence back. I want you to remember what a badass you are. This is my everything, why I do what I do. Because life isn't meant to be lived any other way. And when craziness, gets thrown at you and the world is demanding every bit of your energy and strength, you will have so much more to give because you took that initial step, put yourself first, and got your health right, improved your relationship with your body. So to wrap, here again is a quick synopsis of what you get as a member of the exclusive L3 Method program. Get 3 levels of workouts, cardio and sprint scheduling, all tailored for your body type. Full-on comprehensive nutrition plan, built to work with your current metabolism. A private coach whom you will have 24/7 access to answer real-time questions, stay accountable to, and of course, cheer you on. 24/7 access to a supportive sisterhood community of like-minded women. The mind-blowing, life-transforming 12-module course that I spoke earlier about. 12 total calls and sessions, which you will book during your Ground Zero interview. A lovely pampering care package sent to you in the mail with some essential goodies to get you started and make you feel so welcome. A graduation gift, which is a surprise. Tons of resources. I'm talking hundreds of recipes, grocery lists, sleep hygiene resources, all of the Fit Girl hacks, literally everything you will ever need to get and stay fit and fabulous. So that's the L3 method in a nutshell. Now let's chat about L3 Lite and compare it to the L3 method. L3 Lite is a shorter version of L3 method for those who want to hold off on the private coaching and the live accountability, but they still want to receive their workouts, their cardio sprint scheduling, and their nutrition plan that fits their body type as well as their current metabolism. In L3 Lite, you receive the first 5 modules of the 12, as well as about 60% of the resources of L3 method, including still, of course, all the recipes, the grocery store support, the sleep support, the hydration tactics, meditations, and so much more. All the hacks. So with both L3 Lite and L3 method, any way you slice it, you are receiving so much more value than the cost, which is really cool and exactly the way I wanted it to be. So if you're leaning more towards L3 Lite, your next step is to go ahead and take the body type quiz. Once you find out what your body type is, and there are 11 total, you can go ahead and grab the L3 Lite program for your body type. So I'll pop the button below for that quiz. And now if you're leaning more towards L3 method, you can still take the body type quiz, as we'll need to know your result to give you the right programming. But you can also go ahead and book a complimentary intro call now so that we can answer your questions and learn more about all of your body type goals. So I'll pop the button to book an intro call below as well. And yeah, that's really it. Thanks for watching this video. I am wishing you a happy and healthy rest of your day, and I'll see you soon. Mwah. Bye.